Mae wedi bod yn ddiwrnod cyntaf bendigedig yma yn y Sioe. Gymaint i weld yn y Sioe bob blwyddyn. Dwi wedi bod yn gwylio anifeiliaid yn cael eu barnu. Dwi wedi gweld gymaint o bobl o Ynys Môn ar draws Cymru i gyd, a wedi llwyddo hefyd i eistedd lawr am sgyrsiau pwysig efo'r undebau amaethyddol. The show is a good opportunity for us as Plaid Cymru politicians to listen to what the agriculture sector is telling us. Farming, rural Wales is so important to Plaid Cymru. So when we hear the concerns about government plans for the sustainable farming scheme and plans to ask farmers to plant trees on 10% of their land, we say farmers want to fulfill their environmental obligations, but they want to do it in a way that works with their businesses, helps their businesses to flourish whilst helping the environment at the same time. We'll work with the farming unions and farmers in all parts of Wales to make sure that we have better plans in place than are currently put forward. Just as we worked with Welsh Government to make sure that an agriculture bill that was recently passed actually works for Welsh farmers, delivering for the kind of farming industry we want in future. Today we're talking about other aspects of farming, wanting to make sure that when people are shopping online, they're able to see where goods have come from in order for us to be able to promote local produce, Welsh produce. So many aspects to agriculture that we in Plaid Cymru are keen to work with farmers on. Edrych ymlaen am y dyddiau nesaf yn y Sioe hefyd, ac os da chi'n digwydd galw heibio stondin Plaid Cymru, wel mi fydden ni yma i roi croeso cynnes i chi.